Is snoring a dental problem? Complex question, even would require a more complex answer. Snoring generally is an issue because of airway issues and the tongue typically falls back into the airway, causing people to snore. Some of the fixes can be treated through dentistry, and part of that is sort of expanding the mouth, giving the tongue more room. And so from that standpoint, is it a dental issue? Yes, it can fall inside of what I would call a dental issue. However, usually when treating snoring and sleep apnea type issues, you're going to be working with multiple different doctors.